This will be a video tutorial on how to access the developer tools in the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To access the developer tools in the Opera browser, the first thing you want to do is go up to the upper left-hand corner, up to where you see the red O, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where you see it says Developer and place your mouse cursor over Developer. Then you'll go straight off to the side here to where you see it says Developer Tools and click on that. And a pane will open on the right hand side over here. You could place your mouse cursor over the edge of that pane and you'll see the cursor becomes arrows, and you can pull out, or you could make the developer pane narrower by pulling in. The keyboard shortcut for the developer tools is Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Another thing you can do, there's a 3-dot hamburger menu up here in the upper right hand side of the developer pane. If you click on that, you can change which side your developer tool pane is docked on. The first icon here will open the developer tools in a new window. The second icon will open the developer tool pane on the left side of the screen instead of the right side. The next icon will open the developer tools at the bottom of your browser. And the last icon is the default icon. It opens the developer tool pane on the right side of your screen. I'm going to click on the bottom. I'm going to open my developer tools at the bottom of my browser. Now you can see the developer tool pane is at the bottom of my browser. I could put my cursor right up here, and I can hold down my left mouse button and I can drag out to increase the size of my pane here. I can drag in to decrease it. Across the top up here, you have tabs. You have the Elements tab, you have the Console tab, Sources, Network, Performance, Memory, Application, Security, Lighthouse. That is how you open the developer's tools in the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.